for being the league's highest run scorer, 641 runs. Kane Williamson with 735 runs. David Warner, 692 runs.
KL Rahul for being the leading run scorer with 670 runs. Ruturaj Gaikwad, 635 runs.
Joss Butler, the league's leading run scorer with 863 runs. 890 magnificent runs off the bat of Shubman Gill. Orange Cap Award to Virat Kohli.